running lunch and learns to help them understand, right? Writing articles for them to understand, how math applies, right? Like, I know that, like, one of the things I did at one of my previous companies was I would always write articles about, like, the World Cup, right? How you can predict the winner of the World Cup, because everybody watches the World Cup, right? Even if you're a casual fan, you watch it, right? So you have to look for ways to kind of educate people and help them understand different things about data science, right? So you're asking a great question, but just unfortunately there is no, single answer for it, right? Okay, so I'm going to scroll back up. I jumped to Rex's question because he's asking a good question, but let me scroll back up to make sure I didn't miss anybody. If you're joining us late, feel free to let us know where you're from, the city, state, province. So Smeater asks, how is Florida Atlantic University for MS and AI? I don't know. I don't know that program. I can't speak intelligently on it. Maybe somebody else can in the chat.